Hi everyone, I am here to show you a kit from White Rose Crafts that is on pre-order sale for the month of August. I will be using this kit to make some cards this week. So let me show you what is in this kit. First, we have some beautiful ribbons, and they're satin ribbons. We have this nice wide one in like a ivory color, and then we have this smaller one in this beautiful sage green, and then this beautiful blue, like a country blue. So there's ribbons. There also is a little ink um, spot, I guess you could call it, and it's from Scrapberry, and it is in the brown color. So there's an ink pad. There's also some little frames. We have this little frame here. It's like a felt frame in gray, really pretty. And then we also have a felt one in like a bluish purple that's really pretty. And then we have a chipboard frame in like a country blue. So those will be kind of fun to play with. And then the kit also comes with a die from X-Cut, and this is an anchor. So I can't wait to use this, cut this out, and make some embellishments with it. And then it also comes with a Wink of Stella in blue. So that's really cool. It comes with, this looks like it's some raffia, and you have a really pale green and then a pale blue. So those are going to be fun to play with. And this kit actually comes with some seashells right off the beach. Really pretty. So this will be really fun to add to projects. And then it also comes with some cards and some matching envelopes. And then the first one is a shaker card in the form of a mason jar. And of course it comes with the envelope. And then we have a card base in the brown, this really pretty greenish blue, and then this very pretty pale blue, and they all come with envelopes. So those are really pretty. I really like this one here. This is really pretty. I like this. My camera's not really showing the true color, but it has a little bit of green in it. It's really pretty. So those are the cards with the envelopes. And then it also comes with a couple of stamp sets. So we have this clear stamp here, which is from Prima, and it's called Seashore, and it has a little boat. It says the word enjoy, the word seaside. It has, this looks like it's a rope. And then we have just a couple, like a little flower. And then a compass, looks like a compass. And then I'm not entirely sure what them other ones are. Maybe just, they can be for like corners or something. So that's pretty cool. So it'll be fun to play with, especially the ship. And then it comes with this stamp set, which is from Urban Stamps. I'm not sure the name of the stamp. Oval frame, I guess is what it's called. But these will be really nice to use. These are nice size stamps, and they're red rubber. So these will be pretty cool to use. And then we also get a little sparkle blend. It's called Nautical Legend from Doodles Paper Playground. So this is going to be really cute. Be great for a shaker card. And then we also have some dimensional stickers, which are the seashells, which are really pretty. You get quite a few. It looks like you get, these two are the same shell, just a different color. One's like a red, and then the other's like a blue, pale blue. And then you get two of this one here. One has got the blues and reds and browns. And then this one is just a brown background, but it's very glittery. I don't know if you can see the glitter. These are all glittered up. And then you get a smaller one of that one. So really pretty. So those, oh, I missed one. Must have fallen off. And then you get this one as well. So you get those. And then there's some little wood pieces. So there's some little seashells. Really nice. And then there's a leaf. And then a palm tree. So those are really, really nice for cards and for shakers. You can put them inside the shaker card. And then it also comes with a couple of charms. So you have this really cute little clam, and it's got a pearl in it. So that's really cute. And then you've got this really pretty sailboat. So that's really nice. And then this one is a little fishing boat, and he has a little fishy. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little fish hanging off there. So that's really cute. So those are the charms that come in the kit. And the papers are from Peon Design, and it's called Legends of the Sea. And I believe that's what the name of the kit is going to be, is Legends of the Sea. Don't quote me on that, I think, but I'm not positive. But this is a cut-apart sheet, which is really pretty. It has anchors, it has mermaids, and then, of course, it has that really cool old-time ship. And then it has some sentiments, really pretty. And then we have a map with a compass, one in brown and one in blue. And then the anchors are brown and blue. And, of course, you can see one side is brown and the other side's blue, so that's kind of cool. So this can be used in feminine cards and also, you know, masculine cards. So that's the cut apart sheet. And then these come as 12 by 12, but they can be cut down into 6 by 6 papers, which is really nice. So this is the brown, really pretty. This sheet here actually has anchors on it. So that is pretty cool. Be really nice for some masculine cards. My camera will focus. There we go. And then, of course, we have the old style ship. And then we have a couple of background pieces. And then this one is wood grain. Really nice. And then we have these in blue. And we have the map. And then, of course, this is little, oh, there's skull and crossbones. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Come on, camera, focus. But they're skull and crossbones. There we go. That is pretty cool. And then, of course, we have the compass again. And then I think this is just a little flower flourish here on that one. And then, of course, we also have them in the browns. Really nice. Real pretty. And then, again, that other sheet that had the anchors with the wood grain is in blue with the little mermaid. I'm not sure if that brown sheet was that. No, that was the battleship. So this one has the mermaid on it. And then this one here is got little... looks like little fish. So that's kind of cool. So that one, little fish. And of course the mermaid is really pretty. Beautiful mermaid right there. That'd be great fussy cut out. I wish my camera would focus so you could see her. But she's really pretty. So that is the kit. And like I said, it is on pre-order. So you can go over to White Rose Crafts and pre-order this kit and it will be released in August. Please stay tuned. I will be sharing some projects right after this video of I'm going to do some cards, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the card that I created with the kit that I just showed you. So let me go through the card that I made. It is a 6x6 square card. The base is craft cardstock. Then I layered some cream colored cardstock along with some of the blue pattern paper. And I distressed all the edges of the paper with my Tim Holtz distressing tool. And this blue paper actually has a map on it, which this is the brown one. So this is what the paper actually looked like. So what you can see in the top corner is the little compass on the blue one here. So there's the little compass in the top. And then I layered a paper doily here. And then I layered some more cream colored cardstock. And then this brown paper here is actually the skull and crossbones, which I have that in blue here, but I used the brown on the card. I don't know if this will focus. Oop, upside down, but that's the paper only in the brown. And then I have some of this blue raffia type paper here, which was this, and it was tightly wound. So what I did is I just unfolded it and made it flat, and I attached that to this piece here. And then I have one of the cut apart cards here that I popped up on foam tape. And then I wanted to use this mermaid image. So I have that layered with the cream colored cardstock, and I think that's an absolutely beautiful image. And then I have some layered flowers. I have a double bow here with some twine that I got from Joann's, which matched this collection perfectly. And then of course the saying, be a mermaid and make waves. Super pretty. And then the flowers, like I said, were from my stash. And then the little seashell, the little wooden seashell right there, came in the kit, and it was came with these, so I used that. And then I just added some flat back pearls from my stash for the bottom corner and for the top of the image. So that is the outside of the card. There is no sentiment on the inside, but I did finish the inside with some cream colored cardstock and then some bits and pieces of the leftover paper that I cut up. So whoever gets this card, I will put my sentiment on the inside, just a little note. So I hope you like the card that I have created. And I apologize for the lighting. It's really rainy here right now, so it's kind of dark outside, and of course my light behind me is casting a shadow, so I apologize for that. But I hope you like the card that I've created, and please check out White Rose Crafts. This kit is a pre-order kit, and it is available now for pre-order, and this is our August card kit. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.